はい、こんにちは、あすこ先生です。Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about so. Yes, can you see so? Yes, so is very interesting word. It's almost the same as in English, the word so. Yes, but we use so in different ways and everywhere. So let me explain how we use this word so. Okay, so first one is so desu. So desu. It means it's correct. So for example, if somebody asks me, are you Asuka Sensei? Asuka Sensei desu ka? I will say, so desu. Yes, I am. Yes, you are correct. Yes, that's so desu. Okay? And the next one, so desu ne. It shows I agree with you. I feel the same feeling. Yes. So for example, 今日は寒いですね。そうですね. Yes, it's true. So today is cold. Yes, and then that person also add ね。今日は寒いですね. So it asks the confirmation. You do you agree? Yes. Today is cold, isn't it? Yes. And then I will answer そうですね. Yes, it is. Yes. Yes, it is cold. I agree with you. Yes, そうですね. Yes. So ね shows the confirmation to ask the confirmation. Do you agree? Yes, I agree. Yes, そうですね. Okay. And then next one. This is very, very useful. そうですか. Yes. This phrase ending ka, but ka doesn't mean question. Okay. So そうですか is when you show your surprise. So we use this phrase when we ask questions. So for example, どこに住んでいますか? Where do you live? And then that person answered, 東京に住んでいます. I live in Tokyo. This is new information for me. That's why I ask questions. So and then now I got the answer. So I say, そうですか. I see. Yes. So this is the response. So when you ask a question and then that person answers you, you say そうですか. Okay, so it shows I got the new information. You kindly answered my question. Thank you. That's そうですか. Okay? Alright, so these are very useful phrases, so please remember. And then here, maybe a little bit difficult ones. So let me explain. So the first sentence without so, あのラーメンは美味しいです. Can you say it? あのラーメンは美味しいです. It means that ramen is delicious. Yes. So this sentence just describes the fact that ramen is delicious. That's fine. Next one. あのラーメンは美味しそうです。美味しそうです。Yes. So 美味しい is E is deleted. Yes. And then add そうです. It means that ramen looks delicious. Yes. That ramen seems delicious. Yes. あのラーメンは美味しそうです。You haven't tasted it yet. Right? So you don't know exactly whether that ramen is tasty or not. Yes. But maybe it looks delicious or it smells delicious or yes, it seems delicious. Yes, because that person, lots of people are talking about, yes, order that ramen. I know this. That ramen is very popular. So, あのラーメンは美味しそうです。Yes, it seems delicious or it looks delicious. It smells delicious. Yes, so that's 美味しそうです. And then in this case, we delete E adjectives E part. Yeah, and then そうです. Alright? If you use an adjective, for example, 田中さん is healthy. 田中さんは元気です. And then you said 田中さん looks healthy. 田中さんは元気そうです. So, an adjective, don't use not just an adjective and then そうです. Alright? The next one, a bit complicated. あのラーメンは美味しいそうです。Yes, we keep E adjective as it is and then add そうです。美味しいそうです。Oh, only one syllable difference, but the meaning is very, very, very different. Okay, so this one is apparently that ramen is delicious. Yes, so this そうです means I've heard the good reputation about this ramen, that ramen. Yes, apparently I've heard that ramen is delicious. Yes. So this part is plain form. So e adjective, or if you use other textbook, maybe you've had short form. So it means e adjective, 美味しいです. So delete this and then 美味しい as a plain form and then add そうです. Yes. So this そうです means I've heard that. Yes. So and then this part is a sub-sentence. I've heard that ramen was delicious. Okay. So you can change, for example, if you use an adjective, 田中さん is healthy, 田中さんは元気です. You change it, 田中さんは元気だそうです because this part is a sub-sentence part. Alright? Hope it helps. But e adjective, 美味しそうです and then 美味しいそうです just one syllable difference, so it's very difficult to catch when you hear, right? When you listen to somebody is talking in Japanese, so be careful. But now I hope you understand the meaning, right? So today I'm talking about the word so. Yes, so is very useful and then we use a lot, but the meaning is sometimes a bit confusing. So I hope you enjoy this video. どうですか？面白かったですか？ Yes, you should agree. そうですね。Alright, so see you next time. さよなら。またね。